Facelove is marketed as a skincare product that promises smoother skin, a brighter complexion, and a more youthful appearance. The ads here make it sound like a simple solution for multiple skin concerns. But the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, many skincare products can improve hydration and skin texture when used consistently. The results, however, are usually more gradual than advertisements suggest. What it does well may improve skin hydration. Moisturizing ingredients can help the skin feel softer and smoother, easy to add to a skincare routine. Most products are simple to apply every day. Where the hype falls apart, it won't transform your skin overnight. This is the biggest issue. Real skincare results typically take weeks of consistent use. Results vary from person to person. Skin type, age, and lifestyle all affect how well a product works. Marketing can exaggerate before and after results. Professional lighting and editing can create unrealistic expectations. So, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Short answer: skincare takes time. Facelove may help improve hydration and the overall appearance of your skin, but expecting dramatic transformations from one product alone is unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.